Alright, so real quick I'm going to show you how to apply a lovely vinyl sticker. So this is a vinyl sticker I got. I'm just making a license plate for Old Red. You need some alcohol, and then my super mixture is just a cap full of alcohol, a little bit of dish soap and water. So the first thing you're going to do is take the alcohol, take a clean rag, and you're just going to clean whatever surface you're actually going to apply the sticker to. Just get nice and dry, nice and clean. The cleaner the better. Then you can take your sticker, take your transfer tape off, make sure everything comes off with the transfer. This is garbage. Take your sticker, take your mixture, lay the backside, depending how much time you need to actually work the stickers, how wet you want it. This will allow you to move it around once you lay it down. And you just place your sticker. Take a squeegee, or you can use a credit card, either or. So I don't scratch it all up, I'll put a little bit of spray on there. And then you work out all the air bubbles. And just work out from the center to the edges. You'll see it squeegee out. And this way, you won't get any air bubbles under your stickers. Dry. Right now, if I tried to peel it up, if your mixture's right, should be good. The more alcohol, the quicker it'll dry, the more soap, the slick it'll be. Peel that. Just flatten it back out. Make sure you don't catch any edges unless you're that easy.